Sorry for waiting. So I'm doing a presentation. So title is Offline Web Map Server UNVT Portable. So briefly, I'm Shogo Hirasawa from Japan. I'm a postgraduate student from the University of Tokyo. I'm a second year student. So this is my research theme, and also this is a United Nations project called as the United Nations Vector Type Toolkit. This is open source project and open public project. So this project's aiming is here. So United Nations Vector Type Toolkit is collection of the open source software to produce, host, style, and optimize and vector type for web mapping. So this is we are proceeding a project on the GitHub. So if you're interested in this project, so please search this United Nations Vector Toolkit on GitHub. So yes, as I said, so this is the official UN project. So UN OpenJS initiative adopted this project. So this institution organized led by the United Nations Division of the Operational Support. United Nations Division of this is United Nations Division of the Geospatial Information. So this is there are 7 objects. So my project is adopted one of them. This is UNVT Portable. So this project is separated some procedure. So my optimize, import map data and produce map data and styling map data and hosting. So my product is here is focus on the hosting services. So this is UNVT Portable. UNVT Portable is a package for RaspberryPi. This package included in RaspberryPi. So RaspberryPi that function as a map hosting server, freely accessible for web browser in offline environment. So if even on offline environment, we can see now a modern web map in your smartphone and some devices. This is also open source map in the offline environment. You can see this is we put on evacuation center in Tokyo, Japan. And satellite imagery and data data and how can I say administrative mining data. So if you use this machine, UNVT Portable, is no skill is needed. So no special skill or tool is required. So some people who are not have a digital skill, you can use it. And this product is a user-only open data, so you can use it freely. And so we use the RaspberryPi. So this is a low cost and high performance. And the RaspberryPi can get the whole world of people. So this is we can make without the region or some declaration. So design. So now. This if you use this RaspberryPi UNVT Portable, you have to 4 steps. So firstly is scan the QR code. So then we can direct the RaspberryPi to your digital devices. Next, you have to scan the QR code. This QR code means IP address, so you can scan this QR code access to the eSIM file. This RaspberryPi included. So and also these devices can get the location data. So you have to you can see the map data with your current location in offline environment. So using this offline map data, municipal sector or public sector can discuss some discussion. So this is, as I said, this is an open project, open data project. So I released 100% how to make it. So on GitHub. So please check it. And also, this is a UN project, and this is also open source project. So if you want to if you join this project, you can get some result of the contribution of the United Nations. So if you want to contribute or if you want to join this project, so please scan the QR code or search the UNVT Portable on the GitHub or website. So that's it. Thank you.